Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to get past the problem where dragging and dropping or copying and pasting large files between your VMware Workstation host and virtual machine fails. So let me show you what I mean. So let's say I want to copy over this file here, this Windows 11 ISO file. It's 7 gigs. I could drag and drop. That kind of looks like it's going. Then we get this message here, cannot write file to the virtual machine, canceling the file copy operation. So this is because the drag and drop method here is not really meant to be used for files larger than 1 or 2 gigabytes. Sometimes it'll work just fine, but many times you'll get this error message right here. So the way to get around this is to enable the shared folders option. So let me show you how you do that here. All right, so you want to go to the settings for the VM, then to options, then to shared folders, which is disabled by default. Then you could have it be always enabled or enabled until next powered off or suspend. Then you could have it map a network drive if you want. So if we go to add, go through the wizard here, we could just say we want to go to this folder here, which is on the D drive, the ISO file folder here. So you could browse to it or just type it in, click on next, enable the share, or just have it be read only and finish. All right, so now if we click OK, let's open a new tab here. Now if we go to network within the virtual machine here, you can see we have this, VMware host, and shared folders, and then we have ISO. And then you could just copy and paste your files as needed, delete them, add more files to the virtual machine host, and so on. All right, so now let's go back here. Let's map it as a network drive. Click OK. Go to this PC. Now you can see we have shared folders that gave it the Z drive here. I think it does that by default. I don't recall if that's something you could change or not. Or this might have been remembered from last time I did it, so it's kind of hard to say. And then we got the same thing here. And then when you're done, you could simply come back here, go back to settings. You could uncheck the map as network drive option. You could disable it and then turn it back on as needed, or you could completely remove it and clear it out that way. Right now I'm just going to disable it in case I want to use it later. And now it's unavailable. All right, so I think that's kind of a better way to do it because it seems to be faster and more reliable, even though you got to go through the steps of configuring it rather than just dragging and dropping. But that's one way to get around that message when you're trying to copy large files. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.